for just a second if you need to, and you're not worrying about this cable management that's on the wall. Going down the ladder tray, that can just be left alone.
Just
And
like I
then
said, pushing mule tape in.
ladder tray should be. Basically, we'll just above this a little bit with the ladder tray. It'll be like on there. We'll get a design green for sure. Let you know that.
Oh my god. Clifford? No.
Alright, now we're gonna go get. This is how he's gonna define that for me. Maybe I think,
Yeah, here we go.
That
Got me sweaty.
is a death sentence.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, I got all over. Just making it happen. Making it happen.
Yeah. I really want to know. He's already done it. Right. What am I doing? So I had no idea how it was together.
How are you, bro? It's good to see you.
I did not. I'll do that right now. Happy birthday.